look at this restaurant man.
ये हमारा चैनल है, तुम इधर बोकर बोकर नहीं कर सकते यार। मजाक कर रहा हूँ यार, जस्ट किडिंग। हमारा चैनल तुम्हारा चैनल, हमारी चड्डी को छोड़ के सब कुछ अपना ही समझो यार। भूख लगी, खाना खाओगे? हाँ खाओगे?
पारस का वीडियो क्या है, ये कौन समझाएगा?
तुम फ्रेम से तो चलो, वॉइस ओवर आएगा।
तो आज मैं और मेरे बांग्लादेशी मेहमान छोटो भाई रफसान करने वाले हैं टेस्ट इंडियन फूड फ्रॉम एवरी स्टेट। अब चलिए देखते हैं कि हमारे बांग्लादेशी मित्र आज क्या क्या खाते हैं और किस राज्य के खाने को ये विजेता बनाते हैं।
सबसे मैं आया हूँ बिहार के स्टॉल पर, जहाँ मैं से टेस्ट कराने वाला हूँ बिहार का फेमस लिट्टी चोखा।
What is a लिट्टी चोखा?
एक तो इसके साथ दिक्कत है कि इसको हिंदी समझ नहीं आती। अरे बेवकूफ, जब इंडिया आ रहा था तो हिंदी की नहीं सीख के आया। आई एम टेलिंग देम यू आर वेरी हैंडसम।
You think I'm a duffer?
देखो भाई, यही खासियत है जहाँ पर हम आए हैं दिल्ली हाट आने में, कि यहाँ पर हर स्टेट का स्टॉल है।
Yeah, they have a food stall of literally everything.
Can we have one plate litti chokha?
Wait, what is it made of?
I'll tell you what litti chokha is made of first. Let's sit down.
He's trying to poison me.
Guys, इस वीडियो में 28 के 28 स्टेट्स का खाना हम ट्राई करेंगे। रफसान भाई को देखते हैं क्या पसंद आता है।
अच्छा लगता हूँ। Oh, the food's here.
So check this out. This is Bihar's authentic लिट्टी चोखा। मतलब यहाँ पर आपको authentic तो नहीं मिलेगा, वो तो बिहार जाके ही मिलेगा, but ये near to authentic है।
Guys, this looks really good.
So this is लिट्टी, this is चोखा, and this is chutney.
Let's try it. Let's try it.
And you have to give the review in हिंदी। अच्छा लगा तो बहुत बढ़िया, और बुरा लगा तो बहुत घटिया।
बहुत घटिया, बहुत अच्छा।
Yeah,
Do I break this?
Break this.
खाना खाता हूँ।
We eat it with this।
Oh.
हाँ डालो।
Oh, लिट्टी
चोखा।
And then the chutney.
Chutney.
लिट्टी चोखा chutney.
yes. बहुत मुश्किल है इसके साथ तो भाई, बहुत मुश्किल, पागल कर देगा मेरे को। Oh, be honest.
This was really good. This sabji on top of this, killer.
Like it?
Killer. I liked it. And the chutney. Oh,
Good.
it's good. Good job. पूरा अच्छा खाना.
हमारे बांग्लादेशी बाबू को लिट्टी चोखा तो पसंद आया। चलते हैं अगली लोकेशन पर। Oh, what do we have here?
Tamil Nadu food.
No. मणिपुर गांडो।
Is this mohabbat ke sharbat? No.
Black rice kheer। Black rice kheer।
We also have kheer, but it's just a different color. Oh, the color comes out of the black rice.
मणिपुर का रूम्बा टमाटर से बनता है।
ये बैम्बू शूट से।
Bamboo sweet। You know how they make rumba? They dance like zumba and they make
I think that's how I made this. It's roti.
This is papad, you dumbo.
Papad. Yeah, I know it's a papad.
You are a gando. What is a gando?
A duffer.
Yeah.
What do I start with?
Anything.
What, you're having an orgasm, huh? That good?
Guys.
Orgasm.
आपका कौन से स्टेट का खाना फेवरेट है, कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो यार। मणिपुर का खाना मेरे पैलेट के लिए तो नहीं, मतलब
I think it's an acquired taste.
Yeah.
It's good, but just not for me.
नॉट फॉर अस। तो इसी बात में मणिपुर का हमारा टूर भी खत्म हुआ। बढ़ते हैं अगली लोकेशन पे। अब पापड़ खाना बंद कर यार। अगली डिश मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम पंजाब। छोला भटूरा। Yes.
We have the bhatura over here and we have the chola over
ये
here.
खाने से पहले क्या करेंगे? Yes.
Guys, this is my food basically. First, you take the bhatura, put some onions. You wanna get some of the, what do we call it?
Achar.
This is called achar in Bangla too.
Oh.
My mom makes really good achar.
Everyone's mother makes really good
Mine's
achar.
like the best.
Mine's like the best.
You don't wanna start this.
You don't wanna start this.
Hey, go home.
You go home.
That's racist, huh?
What did I say?
You told me to go home.
Oh, sorry.
I played that card. Now he's feeling bad.
Suddenness.
Guys, you make it into a little aeroplane. Here comes the aeroplane. Wow.
This is super good.
One thing I liked about this, if you have it individually, it's very average. But when you take everything together, बहुत भाला.
साला हमसे अच्छा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है हमारे खाने को। I saying you're very handsome.
And he thinks I'm illiterate.
आपके लिए क्या लेकर आया हूँ? This is from Tamil Nadu and the dish is called idli sambar. So this is idli. This is made of rice and this is sambar. This is made of many type of vegetables cooked together to make a stew.
Ooh, very hot.
Yes, very hot. Like
What
you.
is-
You're not hot.
I'm kind of questioning his sexual orientation.
Why are you gay?
Come on, let's try. Come on. Oh.
Do you know what's a pita?
Pita. I know pita.
This is literally like a pita.
This is usually eaten in the morning as a breakfast.
Yeah. That is the thing. We have this for breakfast. It's called aloo dom.
हाँ, पागल क्यों हो जाता है?
No. In Bangladesh, we have the same thing.
समझ गया, धीरे बोल।
English are in Italy.
कैसा है?
कैसा हो आप लोग?
अबे ये कैसा है?
तमिलनाडु अच्छा खाना बनाता हूँ.
Yeah, बनाता हूँ। You know, we love when Virat kicks Shakib Al Hasan's ass.
That's why Saqib Al Hasan is the #1 all-rounder in the world.
And that's why Virat Kohli is the #1 cricketer in the world.
Take the coffee.
Oh,
You know what this is? It's not a usual coffee. ये है South India की famous filter coffee. Yes. How is it?
it's unique to its own.
Yes.
It's more like a mix of a chai and a coffee.
It's a coffee. It's a chai.
Exactly,
and a
it's chai and a coffee. Chafi, right?
Coffee, yeah, right. Do you want to try Nagaland food?
You have to eat a dog.
Come on, I'll take it. ठीक है, the food is here.
Is this a rat?
No, whenever you hear of Nagaland, why do you always think they'll be?
At first, I used to think Nagaland was about spicy food. Then I watched a video, you know, Sunny. He made a video where I saw he was eating insects,
Yeah.
then everything.
I don't know if it's true, but जो लोग नागालैंड या उसके आसपास रहते हैं, please tell us.
Yes,
people,
please, we
do
want to
people
know.
eat dogs and different kinds of animals in Nagaland? So इस डिश का नाम है chicken bamboo shoot. Nagaland का authentic food is not chicken but pork.
Pork, yeah,
But we're not eating pork due to.
religious reasons, it's haram, so I can't eat it. Yo, let's try this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is the first non-veg dish you are having.
Yeah.
And you love non-veg.
Yeah, I was just telling him, like, I love non-veg.
But don't be biased. Don't be biased with
No,
our
no,
vegetarian food, please.
no.
It has the flavor of bamboo, na?
The bamboo shoot, it's inside the chicken. So it is extremely tender.
ये तो काफी कुछ बोल लेता है यार. हम तो यही बोलते हैं बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बेकार है. What the hell is this?
Baigan.
You know you look like Abdul Rozak.
Very chalak, bro.
Very chalak, bro.
अब आप बताओ ये लगता नहीं लगता अब्दुल रोज़ाक. नागालैंड हो गया, मिलते हैं अगली.
So guys, right now we have the next dish and that is
रोगन जोश एंड राइस. ये डिश है फ्रॉम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. और डू यू नो व्हाट रोगन जोश मींस?
No, what is it?
Rogan's means oil and Josh means what does Josh means? How's the
Yeah.
this is Josh. So ये डिश कश्मीर में पता है कहाँ से आई थी? Mughals from Persia.
Mughals have a fetish towards mutton. But wait, first I'll serve some in rice.
कश्मीर का रोगन जोश is very popular all across India.
It has a good chunk of oil right
Yeah.
there. But use your hands.
You want the real spice? Eat it with your
With your what?
hand. Or what? Or what? Do you have any other parts?
Why were you pointing down, man?
Man, he's such a pervert.
Wait. I am a pervert. You guys, do you know what he did? He went up to a Japanese girl and said, Hamko Nagaland. And then was like, excuse me? I'm from Japan.
It was for
Hey,
guys, ये जो बोल रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा.
move your camera if he's telling. If he's lying.
मन गढ़ंत बातें.
God.
इसको भैया पसंद आएगा देखना.
Yeah, I like non-veg a lot.
हाँ.
Now do we feed each other?
Sure.
Bro, that was a trick question.
I'm gay.
Guys, this food, top notch, loved it. But guys, the next dish, I think is gonna be better.
The next dish is here. This is from south of India once again. Please try. How's it?
I have an opinion about this dosa with
Yeah,
sambar.
please,
It is
please.
amazing.
Most welcome.
Especially the aloo dum. Love it. And the sambar. It is amazing. The sambar is like tomatoes. It's good, right?
This is our next dish. This is from Kerala. Do you know the name?
Egg paratha.
Na. This looks like Mughlai egg paratha जो कि कोलकाता में खाते हैं. But this is actually utpam. Utpam is made up of rice flour.
It's also like a pita.
हाँ, and it's loaded with full of vegetables and it's
Yeah.
served same with sambar.
I love it.
देखो इंडिया में इससे सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया वीडियो के एंड में देखेंगे, लेकिन साउथ इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया आप?
Utpam or dosa. It's a hard choice, but I'd pick one of the two.
तो बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक या बहुत घटिया?
Tick.
It's good.
Let's go.
Let's go. हम गणित दर्शकों ऐसे हाथ जोड़. You know what you are wearing on your head?
What?
This is Safa. Safa. And
That's the name of a famous model in my country.
हरामी मनुष्य है. मॉडल के नाम पता है?
No, she's an actress.
हाँ तभी तो बड़ा नॉटी है तू. बांग्लादेश से परवट आया है भाई, सच बता रहा हूँ.
Dal, bati, churma.
हाँ.
But let's start eating.
Yes, sure. Let's dig in. Take a bati.
Oh, I'll take a bati.
Dip it in dal. मजा आ रहा है?
Tick.
हाँ, ठीक. मोटे. हाँ.
You call me fat, huh? This guy doesn't even.
This is? What is this?
Churma.
Oh, my dear innocent kid, churma.
Churma.
How's it? Good? Like that? Yeah.
Medium.
चलो, overall the थाली was?
ठीक होता है.
चलो, guys राजस्थानी खाने हमने खा लिया, मिलते हैं अगली लोकेशन पर. अगली डिश है गाइस हमारे पास है. एक तो डर क्यों जाता है भाई?
Why are you screaming, huh?
This is my way of presenting like you did na. Hello guys, this is
Guys, let's stop. Right now we are having Hyderabadi biryani.
Yes, but Hyderabad is not a state. It's a capital. What is the state?
What's the state?
Andhra Pradesh.
I actually had Hyderabadi biryani from Hyderabad.
Oh, how was
It
it?
was really good.
So, according to this taste, how do you think that Hyderabadi biryani is?
The one I tried myself from Hyderabad, amazing. The one here,
Who's the winner? Who's the winner here?
Maharashtra's pav.
Pav Bhaji.
Yeah. पाव भाजी।
Everyone who's watching from Maharashtra, मतलब रफसान के लिए प्यार बरसा दो यार कमेंट सेक्शन में। और कोई ऐसा कोलैबोरेशन अगर आप फ्यूचर में दोबारा देखना चाहते हो कि रीविजिट बांग्लादेश, तो वो भी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना।
Why are you holding my hand?
How many likes do you want for me to come to Bangladesh?
Bro, I want 450, 100,000.
My God, guys, 450, 100k
We
likes.
want 450, 100,000 like reacts, but at the same time, we want 11,000 comments.
Oh my God.
Okay?
That's a very difficult condition. Maybe I will
Then
never,
again.
I will never come to Bangladesh now.
No. Guys, if you don't like it, that means you don't want to be in Bangladesh. I don't want to.
Baki, thank you so
I'm
much.
kidding. But wait, final thing.
Yeah.
Are you my bondhu?
Yeah, I'm. Oh my God, I'm your
You know
bandhu.
Bandhu.
You're my Boka Choda.
You're my duffer.
You're my Garo. Thank
What
you
is
so
your
much.
outro?
Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
गद्दारी कर बे